I say hard. Push it. Push it. But hey guys, so we got back a while ago from IKEA. Look at all those boxes there. We got beds for the kids and some accessories as well, and a table and a chair as well. I've set that up and it's downstairs, so I want to quickly set up the beds as well. Why are you showing yourself like this? Okay, so no, it's me that's watching something. I have to watch series so that I can be able to do this, my fixing, my Bob the Builder fixing. They were so excited when they found out that we bought beds for them, and then I allowed them have a sneak peek of the beds. And I got Kayla a pink bed and I got Carson like a blue bed, the same design. It's giving like, I was telling my husband, it's giving like boarding house bed because it's like metal, like it's, I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Kayla's own, right? I'm sure if you guys have watched my previous videos, you know that I'm very handsy. Should have gotten myself like, see what we said about being smart? We got it. Okay, I'm gonna tie myself. Ooh. In our house right now. It feels like when we first moved in, because like I just did my office space. You guys probably would have seen. I'll leave the link right here, right? Go and check it out. I did the whole thing myself, the setup, the painting, the installation, everything. So I've been doing this for like 1 week straight up. I've been putting things together for 1 week straight up. So the first thing that I always do is obviously like watch something. I'm watching The Recruits. Like I love action movies. I love like medical movies, right? Like Grey's Anatomy kind of movies. Movies that like, they get me like, oh my god, what's gonna happen next, you know? What I like to do first before I start off doing anything is to take out everything out of the box and get the box away. So I'm gonna bring out all the parts so that way I can actually know it. Put the similar ones in one corner. Yeah, this is gonna be an easy one because the idea is if this takes me an hour, Carson's own should take me maybe like 30 minutes because it's the same bed, the same process, just doing it twice. Babe! It is currently 11:02. I want to say I did this in like 20 minutes, but I've not even done it. There's one screw that's giving me issues, so I'm going to just take my time off doing that, and install Carson's own. Tops 15 minutes assembling this one. Majority of the work has to do with putting these together. Once you put this together, it's pretty much like 10 minutes you're done. So I'm gonna screw this on, screw everything on. I'm 22, and I started doing the whole thing at is it 12 minutes past or 2 minutes past? I think this took me about 20 minutes. So I also got their mattress, guys. This is so heavy. Okay, we also got their mattress. This one is like an extendable mattress, because it's supposed to fit this bed at different stages. So I think there are like 3 parts in the mattress. Let me open it up and show you guys. I think that's, yeah, okay. So yeah, there are 3 parts. This is one part right here. This is another part right here. And this is the main part right here. So at this stage in their life, they'll be using this one. When they grow a little bit bigger, you can add this part to it, and then when they grow like that, you can add this. So this transitions easily. My baby's bed. I think these are super cute.
guys, so this is the temporary final look. Let me turn over the camera so you can see. We have fixed the bed. This is Kayla's corner and this is Carson's corner. And yeah, this is what the beds look like. You can extend them, which is pretty cool. So I'm leaving them as is now because Kayla and Carson are still pretty small. They're like toddlers. They are toddlers. So this not only saves on space, but it's also very functional. So because I've reduced the length, I can have like a lot more space around. So that way we can put like some play items, decor pieces as well. Maybe even like a drawer in front, who knows. But yeah, let me show you guys. So we have a lot of space. Ignore the clothes on the floor. I literally brought out everything from the closet because I want to rearrange it. But you can put like a table here, a chair here as well. And we're going to be doing some decor pieces as well. Some plants. We're probably going to paint the wall. Definitely going to remove this wallpaper because it's too dark and too like cringy. We're definitely taking out this because this doesn't go with the aesthetics of the room. But so far so good. This is what their room looks like. I mean, this is what the bed looks like because that's what we just worked on. And yeah, I feel so proud of myself for doing this by myself. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the transformation and I will see you in the next video, I guess. Till then, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye.